Hi, this video I will show you how to adjust your handlebar. If your handlebar cannot floating, you can watch my video. First, we can use any tool and just adjust here. You can see we have very small screws here. So just do not let these screws go outside too much. You can see if these screws go outside too much, cannot work in. And here this screw is inside here, so you can see it's working. So we just use tool adjust here. It's easy. Let these screws inside here. See, it's working. Okay, thank you.